This could be the car for you. The 2017 Ford F-150. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, passenger adjustable lumbar, stability control, pass-through rear seat, driver adjustable lumbar. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.